Declarative sentences. Declarative sentences make a statement. They tell us something, they give us information, and they normally end with a full stop. The usual word order for the declarative sentence is subject plus verb or subject plus verb plus rest. Declarative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. Positive. I like coffee. We watched TV last night. Negative. I do not like coffee. We did not watch TV last night. Declarative sentences are the most common type of sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences ask a question. They ask us something, they want information, and they always end with a question mark. Interrogative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. The usual word order for yes, no questions is auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus rest. Are you studying for the exam? Did she finish her homework? Do you like coffee? Don't you like coffee? Didn't she finish her homework? The usual word order for WH questions is WH word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus rest. What are you studying for the exam? Where did she finish her homework? Why haven't they arrived yet? When will the concert start? Imperative sentence. Imperative sentences give a command. They tell us to do something, and they end with a full stop or exclamation mark. The usual word order for the imperative sentence is base verb. Note that there is usually no subject because the subject is understood, it is you. Imperative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. Positive. Stop. Give her coffee. Negative. Do not stop. Don't give her coffee. Exclamative sentence. Exclamative sentences express strong emotion or surprise and exclamation, and they always end with an exclamation mark. The usual word order for the exclamative sentence is what plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb. How plus adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb. Look at these examples. What a liar he is. What an exciting movie it was. How he lied. How exciting the movie was.